Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study Channel. In the last class we have solved exercise 5.5. We have already completed question number 5. Today we are going to solve from question number 6. So question number 6, differentiate with respect to x. So question number 6, how to solve? Let's try to solve this question. First of all, question number 6, let y equal to what? X plus 1 by x plus 1 by x whole to the power x plus x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. This is given. So how to solve this type of problems? We solve. How to solve this? This is equal to y equal to, suppose this is u and plus this is v. Where you write here, where u equal to, what is u? U equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x, and v equal to this one x whole to the power 1 plus 1 by x. This is v. If we differentiating, give here equation number 1. Now differentiating 1 with respect to x. Now differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we had what we had. If we differentiating this, then dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Give, this is equation number 2. Now u equal what? U is equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. If we taking logarithm on both sides, this is u, this is u, okay. Now u equal to this x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. If we taking logarithm on both sides, then this is equal to log of u equal to log of this, log of x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. This implies log of u is equal to, so log of, according to formula, x is out into log of x plus 1 by x. Now differentiating this equation with respect to x. If we differentiating with respect to x, we get, if we differentiating with respect to x, then log of u equal to what? 1 by u into du by dx. This is equal to x using product rule or chain rule, where u is x and v is this one. So x into ddx of v, d is what? X plus 1 by x. Sorry, this is log of x plus 1 by x plus v. What is v? V is log of x plus 1 by x into ddx of x. So this implies du by dx equal to u whole into x into ddx of x. We know the formula, ddx of log x equal to 1 by x. So here x is what? X is this one, x plus 1 by x, okay, into ddx of this, ddx of x plus 1 by x plus log of x plus 1 by x, ddx of x, according to formula ddx of x is 1, so this is 1, bracket complete. So that implies du dx, this is equal to u. What is u? U is x plus 1 by x whole to the power x into x into, so this one, if we taking LCM, this is x, then this is x square plus 1, ddx of this, ddx of x is 1, if we differentiating this, ddx of x is 1 and ddx of 1 by x equal to what? ddx of 1 by x equal to, so ddx of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. How it is that 1 by x can be written as x to the power minus 1. So ddx of x to the power minus 1 equal to what? ddx of x to the power minus 1 is, so minus 1 is come out, so x to the power minus 1 minus 1. So this is equal to minus x to the power minus 2. This can be written as minus 1 by x square. So if we differentiating 1 by x, then we get minus 1 by x square. Okay? Plus log of x plus 1 by x. So this implies du dx is equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. So if we multiply with this, then this is x square divided by x square plus 1 into, if we taking LCM, then x square, this is x square minus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. So this implies du dx is equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x whole into, this x square is cancel out, then we have remaining is x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. So finally we get du dx is equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x whole into x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1. Now v equal to what? V equal to x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. If we taking logarithm on both sides, then log of v is equal to 1 plus 1 by x into log of x. If we differentiating with respect to x, now differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get, so what we get, this is 1 by v dv dx, this is equal to, using product rule, we have, this is 1 plus 1 by x into dx of v is log x plus v is log of x into dx of x plus 1 by x. This is not x, sorry, this is 1. So this implies dv dx is equal to v whole into 1 plus 1 by x whole into dx of log x. We know the formula, dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay, so plus log of x, dx of 1 is 0, dx of 1 is 0, then dx of 1 by x is plus, into dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So this is complete. This is equal to, implies dv dx. So v equal to what? V is this x whole to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, whole into, if we taking LCM, then this is x. So right here x plus 1 into 1 by x plus, plus into minus 1 by x square into log of x. So what we have, the final answer is dv by dx is equal to x to the power 1 plus 1 by x whole into x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 by x square into log of x. Okay, so dv by dx is equal to x 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, 1 by x whole into, if we taking x square is LCM, then this is x plus 1 minus log of x. This is the dv by dx. Now putting the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 2. So putting the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 2, we get, so equation 2 implies equation 2 is dy dx equal to du by dx. What is du by dx? The value of du by dx is x plus 1 by x whole to the power x whole into what? Whole into x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log of plus what? Plus log of x plus 1 by x. This is du by dx. Okay, plus dv by dx. So dv by dx is x to the power 1 plus 1 by x whole into x plus 1 minus log of x divided by x square. So we have, lastly we have dy dx. So this is the final answer. Now we are going to solve question number 9. So question number 9 is what? Let y is equal to, what is y? Y equal to x to the power sin x plus sin x, x to the power sin x plus sin x to the power sin x to the power cos of x. This is y. Okay, so how to solve this? So this is equal to u plus v, where u equal x to the power sin x and v equal sin x to the power cos of x. So if we differentiating this equation, then we have differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get, then what we get? It is a very simple problem. dy dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So this is equation number 2. Now u equal to what? Now u is equal to this one. U equal to what? X to the power sin of x. Now taking logarithm on both sides, then what we have? This is log of u. That implies log of u equal to, if we taking log, then sin x is out into log of x. Okay. So now differentiating this with respect to x, then what we have? ddx of log of u is equal to ddx of sin x into log of x. So this implies if we differentiate ddx of log of u, then we have 1 by u into du by dx. So this is equal to, using chain rule, then sin x is constant, ddx of what? Ddx of log x. Formula is plus, so v is what? V is log of x into ddx of ddx of u is sin x. So finally du by dx is equal to u whole into sin of x ddx of log x equal to, we know the formula, ddx of log x equal to 1 by x plus log of x, ddx of sin x equal to, ddx of sin x equal to cos x. So very simple, this is cos x, so this is complete. So that implies du dx equal to u. What is u? U is what? U is x to the power sin x whole into, this can be written as sin x by x plus cos x into log of x. This is the value of du by dx. Now v equal to what? Now v equal to sin to the power sin x to the power cos x. Similarly, if we taking log on both sides, then we have, this is log of v is equal to cos x into log of sin x. Okay, so again differentiating with respect to x, then we have ddx of log of v is equal to ddx of cos of x into log sin x. Okay, this implies ddx of v equal to what? ddx of log of v equal to 1 by v. If we differentiate v, then we get dv by dx. This is equal to, into chain rule, cos x into ddx of log sin x plus log sin x into ddx of u. U is cos x. So right here cos x. So this implies dv dx is equal to d whole into cos of x ddx of log sin x. If we taking this is x, then ddx of log x, ddx of log x is what? ddx of log x is 1 by x. Here x is represent sin x. So now ddx of sin x, ddx of sin x plus log of sin x, log of sin x into ddx of cos x. We know the formula, ddx of cos x equal to minus sin x. So right here minus sin of x. So this is complete. So this implies dv dx equal to v. What is v? V is sin x to the power cos of x whole into, this is cos x by sin x. So cos x by sin x equal to what? So cos x by sin of x. If we differentiating sin x, then we have cos x. So this is cos x plus log sin x into minus sin of x. So this implies dv dx is equal to sin x to the power cos of x whole into cos theta by sin theta equal to, we know the formula, cot x into cos of x minus sin x into log of sin x. So we finally got the value of dv by dx. Now equation 2 implies, what is equation 2? In equation 2 is dy dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So du by dx, what is du by dx? We know the value of du by dx. So du by dx is x to the power sin x whole into x to the power sin x whole into what? Sin x by x, sin x by x plus what? Cos x into log x, cos x into log of x. This is the value of du by dx plus v. What is v? V is this one. So plus v. V is this one. Sin x to the power cos of x whole into cot x into cos of x minus sin x into log of sin x. This is the final answer. Now we are going to solve question number 12. So question number 12, find dy dx of the functions given in question 12 to 15. So it is given, direction is given here. We are going to find dy dx. So question number 12. So question number 12 is what? Question number 12 is x to the power y plus y to the power x equal to 1. So how to solve this? First of all, we take let u equal to x to the power y and v equal to this one, v equal to y to the power x. So this given equation then reduce to u plus v equal to 1. If we differentiating this equation with respect to x, now differentiating with respect to x on both sides we have, so what we have, this is du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0 because dx of any constant equal to 0. Give, this is equation number 1. Now u equal x to the power y. If we taking logarithm on both sides, then we have what we have, this is log of u is equal to log of x to the power y. This can be written as log of u. If we break the formula, then y is out into log of x. So if we differentiating with respect to x, we get, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get, if we differentiating log of u, then we have, what we have, 1 by u into du by dx. This is equal to, using product rule here, so y into ddx of d is log of x plus log of x into, if we differentiating y, then we get dy dx. This is dy dx. This implies that du dx is equal to u, okay, whole into what, u whole into this one, u whole into y into ddx of log x equal to what, ddx of log x is 1 by x plus plus log of x into dy dx. This is the value of du dx. So that implies du dx is equal to, what is u? U is x to the power y. So u is what, x to the power y. So right here x to the power y. This is y by x plus log of x into dy dx. This is the value of du dx. Okay. Now we are going to find the value of dv dx. Now v equal to what? V equal to y to the power x. So v equal to y to the power x. If we taking logarithm on both sides, then this is log of v equal to x into log of u. If we differentiating, now differentiating with respect to x, we get, if we differentiating with respect to x, then we get what we get. Differentiating with respect to x, we get what we get. If we differentiating this, then we have 1 by v into dv dx. This is equal to, yeah, this is x into dx of log of y plus log y into dx of x So this is equal to, this implies dv dx is equal to v whole into x into ddx of log of y equal to what? ddx of log y is 1 by y into, if we differentiate y, then we get dy dx plus log of y, ddx of x is 1. So this is the value of dv dx. That implies dv dx is equal to v. What is v? V equal to what? Y to the power x whole into, this is x by y into dy dx plus log of y. Now if we put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1, then what we have? This one, therefore 1 implies, 1 is what? 1 is du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. This is equation 1. So just put the value of du by dx. So du by dx equal to what? Du by dx equal to x to the power y into x to the power y into what? Y by x plus log x plus log of x into dy dx. This is the value of du by dx plus dv by dx. dv by dx is y to the power x whole into x by y into dy dx plus log of y. This is equal to 0. So this implies that dy dx into what? This one, x to the power y into log of x plus dy dx is taking common, then we have x into y to the power x minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to, if we multiply with this and change the sign, then we have y into, this is minus y, taking minus common, okay, y into x to the power y into what? Y into x to the power y minus 1. Okay, y minus 1. This is plus. So if we multiply this with this, then we have y to the power x into log of y. Bracket complete. This implies dy dx is equal to minus y into x to the power y minus 1 plus y to the power x into log of y divided by this one, x to the power y into log of x plus x into y to the power x minus 1. This is the final. Now we are going to solve question number 13. So question number 13 is what? Question number 13 is y to the power x equal to x to the power y. It is a very important question. Y to the power x equal to x to the power y. If we taking logarithm on both sides, then we have log of y to the power x equal to log of x to the power y. So this can be, if we break the formula, then x into log of y, this is equal to y into log of x. Now differentiating this with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get. So if we differentiating with respect to x, then what we get? So this is ddx of this. So x is constant, ddx of log of y plus log y is constant, ddx of x. This is equal to, here first y is constant, then ddx of log x plus here log x is constant and dy dx. This implies that x into ddx of log of y equal to what? ddx of log y equal to 1 by y into, if we differentiating y, then we have dy dx plus log of y, ddx of x is 1, this is equal to y, ddx of log x is what? ddx of log x is 1 by x plus log of x into dy dx. So this implies that x by y, okay, x by y minus what? X by y minus log of x whole into dy dx is equal to what? Is equal to this y by x. If we change the sign, then minus log of y. So this implies that if we taking y is the LCM, then y, then x minus, if we multiplying this with this, then y into log of x, okay, whole into dy dx. This is equal to, taking x is the LCM, then this is y minus x log y, x log of y. So now we are going to find dy dx. So dy dx is equal to what? Dy dx equal to what? Dy dx equal to, so we write y by x whole into, in upper side, y minus x log of y divided by what? Divided by this one, divided by x minus y log of x. Okay, this is the answer. ভিডিওটো কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কমেন্টত জনাব। যদি ভাল লাগে তেন্তে লাইক আৰু শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু এনে ধৰণৰ নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পাবৰ কাৰণে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব।